Oh, look at this one here. 1965 Chevelle Super Sport Pro Touring. You can see the Corvette disc brakes hiding behind them nice polished wheels. Cowl hood, 6.2 Cadillac motor under there. A complete rebuild, 500 horsepower. A new 4L60E overdrive automatic. Air conditioning, posi rear, $8,000 custom interior, $6,000 stereo. Go to volocars.com. We have 200 awesome cars for you to look at, all for sale, and each one will have a price tag and a monthly payment, including this one right here. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, this is a really slick paint job. It's a metal cowl hood, and I'm looking at a mirror. It's absolutely straight, square, flush. The whole cowl panel, all that fits beautifully. All the lines, body lines are right on the money. No emblems on the fender, all clean, smooth, sharp metal. The body line is right on the money. No bubbles, no damage. Look at this. I personally never opened this door. Let's try it out. Oh, it opens easy. It means it's going to close easy. Jams are pretty. Shuts real nice. Quarter panel's pristine. It's like I'm looking at a mirror. All up in here, excellent. Does not have those stress cracks that you always see on convertibles. Does not have those. All straight. No dents, no damage, no bubbling, no cracking, no shrinking. All this black mirror. See the reflection of my hand? I can read my watch. It is, I can't read it backwards. It's 4 o'clock. All this is clean, straight. I mean, the gaps are right on the money. This is a really nice body and paint. Jams are clean. Nice. A few fingerprints, you'll be working keeping those off the car. So let's say the body and paint is practically pristine. And I only say practically because to cover my butt, but I really don't see anything wrong with it. It is beautiful. All of the chrome up here, the bumper, the lenses, trim, all look real nice. You'll notice the high beams are gone. That's air induction going right into that 6.2 liter motor. The windshield's been replaced, bow tie mirrors on both sides. The vent window frames look like they've been replaced, and the weather strips and the seals up on top here. Real nice convertible top. There's pictures of it on our website. The boot is nice. Door handles are new. Moldings are new. Those are 18-inch Budnik wheels with G-force tires, a little bit fatter in the back. Rear-mounted antenna. I always like that better than the front antenna. The Malibu SS emblems. All the trim back here is shiny, sparkly, straight. You got the SS emblem there as well. Yeah, that is really slick. Let's open it up, check out that motor and that interior. I said let's check out the interior and the motor. Well, you're going to like the trunk compartment too. So underneath the lid, look at that. Painted slick, so is the jamb. The weather strip is replaced. It's boxed, upholstered, Alcantara trim, carpeted floor. Now these panels pull out of here. There's stereo equipment, the battery. It's all stored behind these panels. And it's a nice, clean, spatter-finished floor underneath all that as well. When you subscribe to our YouTube channel, click the bell icon so you're notified when the videos are posted. Yeah, weather strips are replaced. Jams were painted very nicely. $8,000 custom interior that's Alcantara and premium vinyl trim on the door panels, all custom stitched, and on the armrest. You got speakers at the bottom of the doors, tweeters up at the top. You got power windows at all 4 windows. A nice custom padded dash. It has the carbon fiber instrument panel with a complete set of autometer gauges. Nice looking vintage air gauges. Now this piece here, this is custom fabricated for the stereo. And then you have the air conditioning neatly installed here. This is all redone and real nice. Malibu SS. Kick panels are nice. Interior lights work. Carpet's real fresh and floor mats. You got seat belts. Similar to the original console. Actually, it is the original console. It's been custom upholstered. And it has the overdrive shift indicator here as well has been updated. Seats are very comfortable. They're new, so all new cushion, Alcantara, the premium vinyl matches the door panels. Very nice and comfy. Same thing in the back. Working interior light, carpet, the mats, the seats, seat belts. Got it all going on. You got some speakers on the sides. You got power windows. A really nice, comfortable interior. You have a deluxe 3-spoke steering wheel on a tilt column. The mirror looks new. Visors look new as well. Nice plump visors. Okay, now let's go check out that 500 horsepower sitting under the hood. We have a lot of information on this car, so the website will have that all listed. It's a 6.2 liter Cadillac motor. We even have the name of the shop that built it, putting out 500 horsepower. Custom made intake. I also have the name of the shop that made the intake for the car. It's a nice looking setup. It has high performance fuel rails. And then I love these simulated valve covers. They look like the old style finned aluminum valve covers. They're covering the coil packs. You see the spark plugs go into them. Stainless steel headers. Flat, smoothed out firewall. Love these billet hinges. Look at the AC lines. They run behind the fender, keeping everything nice and clean. You have a polished overflow bottle and a giant polished radiator with a shroud and a big electric fan. Oh, look at the radiator hoses too. Look at all the nice fittings, upper and lower. So the whole front of the motor is billet. So you got serpentine belt and polished compressor, polished alternator, custom air intake tube. See this whole air intake? Remember I showed you that goes in through the headlight. Here's your power steering. That's on a hydro boost system, all polished. You got stainless braided hoses, hydro boost power brakes, chrome plated master cylinder. Everything's just looking really nice in here. And I lied. The hood is so nice. I said it was a metal hood. That's fiberglass. But man, that thing is absolutely straight and fits perfectly. And I never use the word perfect. All right, Michael's going to show you how nice this motor runs. And I'll see you in a few minutes.
Alright everybody, I'm really liking this Chevelle here. Seems to be a really good quality build. 6.2 liter LS under the hood. It's got a really nice intake on it. Fired right up for me with the fuel injection. So you have that turnkey platform, which is really nice, user friendly. That's paired up with a 4L60E automatic overdrive transmission. Got a nice all-day cruiser here. It is equipped with air conditioning and power steering. It also has 4-wheel hydro boost disc brakes. The pedal is fantastic. Really nice kind of total package here. The interior has really nice inserts there. Everything's freshly stuffed and comfortable. Well, let's see what she's got. All right, and just like that, we're doing 60, folks. I wasn't even all the way in it. Definitely no shortage of power there. And ran really nice and smooth. This is a tight car overall. I can feel the front end feels great. Let's give you a little lane change here so you can see how how little you need to move the wheel. And yeah, everything checks out really well on this one. Somebody's gonna get a great car. So check out all the details at volocars.com, and if you want to come and take it for a test drive, you're always welcome.
So underneath the car is really nice too. All the steering, suspension, it's all been redone. It has Corvette C4 brakes at all four wheels with the slotted rotors. It does have a working custom e-brake assembly. Really sharp looking polished stainless steel fuel tank and all the proper fuel pumps and high pressure lines for this fuel injected motor. The exhaust, stainless steel exhaust with the crossover pipe, X pipe, all welded nice, installed nice. It's fat pipe, it's at least 2.5 inch. And it has MagnaFlow stainless steel mufflers. The whole system is stainless. Yeah, this is a nice hood. Looking up at the motor, it's got the aluminum oil pan, new, January of this year. So it's only 8 months old. 4L60E overdrive automatic transmission. In back is a 373 posi rear end. The floors are all solid. The frame and chassis all painted. This is a really nice, comfortable, fast, sharp-looking car. It checks all the boxes. Go to volocars.com. Salesmen will help answer your questions, including how to get your Chevelle delivered home. If you need financing, they'll help with that too. Thanks for watching.